Every day, our students are deeply immersed in online environments. This is not only a matter of time, but also a matter of the amount and variety of information they encounter: news, images, videos, posts, comments, and opinions. Some of this information is accurate, some is incomplete, and some is deliberately misleading. In a digital environment where content spreads quickly, the ability to verify information is no longer optional. It's a core critical thinking skill. In this tutorial, we will explore practical strategies teachers can use to help students evaluate online sources. We will focus on lateral reading, cross-checking facts, identifying authorships and bias, recognizing misleading content, and using simple fact-checking tools. The goal is not to make students suspicious of everything they see online, but to help them pause, question, compare, and make better informed judgments. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a set of classroom-ready approaches that can be adapted to different subjects and age groups. You will be equipped with tools to help your students pause, check, compare, and think.